No, we're making a video. Round 2, Delaware Morning Bridge.
I'm so happy to be here.
Yes! It's the second time, except this time we're not staying in Delaware.
Unfortunately. Next time,
I'm gonna go stalk
hang out with Delawareans.
the musician and Robert. What's his name, Robert or Roger?
Robert.
Robert.
Robbie. Call him Robbie for short. Robbie.
Alright.
Hey, legs.
Nutcracker. This is perfect for going over the bridge.
Oh, you must be fucking freezing. Dumb cars.
No, this is the best part. This is Swan Lake now.
Oh, Swan Lake.
Appreciate, yes. Look, Natalie Portman. This is perfect for going under these little things. I don't know.